let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet and then fold it nicely and then paste it all together. Now take a straw, cut it into half and then paste it in between and then do it as shown in the video, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take a sheet and then start pasting it all together, and it will look like this. Now take another sheet and make the shape out of it as shown in the video very nicely, and then color it according to you. Now make the strings and cut it out, paste it on the sheet, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take so many straws and then cut it into half. Now start pasting the straw as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now take another straw and then take these straws and then make it into the cute little chair, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the sheet and then start attaching it all together as shown. Now it will look like a spring. Now take another sheet and make a cute little face out of it with the smiling and with the help of a colors. Now attach it all together and paste the cute little legs, and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, cut the bottle as shown in the video. Now take a balloon, blow it and then paste the eyes and nose and then strings. Now start attaching the stripes of it. Now take the sheet and attach it at the wings, and then it's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one, take a paper cup and then make the small cuts out of it. Now do it as shown in the video, and then take another sheet, make the lines out of it, attach it all together, and it's all done. And then put some lights. For the next one, take a tape and then make the oval shapes on the sheet as shown in the video. Then make some zigzag lines. Now start making the cute little innocent eyes and then the nose and then cute little wings of a cheek, as it will look like this. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and start making the zigzag lines all over it and then make a cute little eyes. Now make a face out of it as shown in the video, as it will look so grumpy. Take a paper cup and then cut at the bottom. Now take it and then attach it with the help of a sheet and then make a cute little flower out of a sheet. Now do it as shown in the video. Roll it very nicely, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take a sheet and then fold it nicely from all two sides and then start folding the edges out of it, and then it will look like this. Now open it, and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet, fold it into half and make a heart shape out of it. Cut it nicely and then start pasting it all over as the flowers. Now take another sheet and paste it all. It's done. Thanks for watching.